Good afternoon. It's May the 30th, 2017. Time to recap our trading for today. Take a look at tonight and the opening tomorrow morning. We'll start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual trading performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, here's the E-mini. We caught this trade in the room and that trade in the room. And then the market just died. You were scalping for maybe not even a point after that. So that's why we work on crude and gold for the most part. The bond's been pretty quiet the last couple of weeks too, and that's why we have to be in there early. We have to catch that first trade of the day if we're going to make a go of it. Lower high, lower low, slightly. We could trade the other way tomorrow off the F1 to the sell side on F2. Definitely a P. So we're right where we were this morning. Okay, not much news tomorrow. Chicago PMI 57.5. Anything over 50 means the economy is expanding. Pending home sales plus 0.5%. Tomorrow night we'll have the API report and then the beige book. So really the focus of the news tomorrow is going to be the beige book, in my opinion. So Chicago PMI first, then pending home sales, and the beige book. So our sells the same, 15 to 17 sell 1, 19 to 21 sell 2. On the buy side, 8 to 10 buy 1, 3 to 5 buy 2. We're going to have some fun this summer. We're going to expand our horizons. We're going to work on 10-minute charts. We'll know where those trades are. We're going to work on the F2 market profile trades. And we'll have more tools in our toolkit come fall. Summer's a great time for learning. Okay, looking at the note, treasuries are pretty strong today, in spite of the fact that Fed governors are out there telling us that we have another interest rate increase coming sooner rather than later. Didn't seem to hurt anything. So on the note, higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it. Okay, for those of you that are new, we do the homework the same way every day. We look at the market the same way every day. And over time, subconsciously, you'll build you'll just see some trades will start to come from you intuitively. 15 to 19 sell 1, 23, 27 sell 2. E-mini rallies, it's probably a reasonable short. E-mini breaks, it's not a good short at all. 5 to 9 buy 1. And we'll put a question mark at 13. And then 29 to 1 buy 2. when you get into this game, you come in with just no doubt in your mind that you're going to be able to do this, and then you run into some losses or trouble. And where you really get screwed up psychologically is that you think it's a lot easier to do than it actually is. First resistance 20 to 24, 27.31 sell 1, 3 to 7 sell 2. But this really requires you to buy when everybody else is selling and sell when everybody else is buying, and that's hard to do. 1 to 5 buy 1, 21.25 buy 2, with the same caveat on the E-mini. And so that first book that we read really sets us up for failure. Nobody does this quickly without a mentor, and everybody's had one, including me. Mine just happened to be Pete Stettlemeier. But you get the wealth of their background, their trading experience. There are a lot of nuances in this. Like that first trade we ducked in crude, the second one we liked. Both were pretty much the same price. Okay, higher low, higher high in gold. Find a place to buy it on F1. And we have a P on F2. Right here. So we'll keep the same numbers we had this morning. 67.70 sell 1, 73.75 sell 2, 60.62 buy 1, 55.57 buy 2. But we've got a sound methodology. Works bracketed markets and in trending markets. And we give that to you. Well, we don't give it to you, but we share that with you. And now you have a chance. And got to get out and make it happen. Lower high, lower low in crude. Find a place to sell it on F1. We're going to have a different picture on F2. We have two distributions. So can we get through 50 or not? So 49.75, 50 sell 1, 50 and a quarter, 50.50 sell 2. That's where we were this morning. 49 and a quarter buy 1. That was our buy recommendation this morning. And 48.50, 48.75 buy 2. So we caught both sides of the crude market well. And the euro, which depending on who picks up the mic is all over the map. Okay, an outside day traded on the F1 screen. And we rejected prices over, well, we just did touch 15. So we'll put that back out there. 15 to 25, which is our S2, will be S1. 40 to 50, S2. On the buy side, 111.75 buy 1. And 111.50 buy 2. Do have some news tomorrow that could stir things up. Hopefully it will. And I'll see y'all bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.